Reports identify information that can be found on the dashboard or Home tab, but in more detail. Reports can be viewed as text or in a graphical format. You also have the ability to export reports and save them to your PC. Additionally, you can filter information in the reports, such as number, date, and time. You can see the different reports available to you within the Reports section of SmartRecord. Each report has a quick description of what they do, but additional information is located in the Help file. The icons displayed in the Reports view signify if they are a table-only report or if you can display the data in a graph. Clicking on Call Handler Activity allows you to see the metrics for that report. At the top of the report, there are various options. You can download the report and save it in the format you wish. There is also a filter button that is set to the default of 30 days. If you want to modify the date range you are viewing in your reports, you will need to change the filter options to reflect your needs. As mentioned earlier, certain reports can display a graph instead of a table view. Clicking on the Show Chart drop-down allows the user to select the number of items shown in the graph. Some of the reports, like evaluation and audio mining, are administrator reports and might not be visible to all system users. Although there are many detailed reports in SmartRecord, today we'll talk about the 4 most commonly used reports. For more information about additional reports, make sure to check out the Help file. The Call Handler Activity Report displays recent activity for each call handler in the application. The Call Handler Activity Report can be displayed as text or as a pie chart by clicking on the Chart button found on the Report toolbar. The report displays the number, description, total number of calls, average call duration, minimum duration, and maximum duration by the call handler. The Call Handler Activity Report is an excellent option if you want to know if one of your employees is taking more calls than your other call handlers. The Subscriber Average Daily Activity Report displays average daily call count information for each subscriber in the application. The Subscriber Average Daily Activity Report can be displayed as text or as a pie chart by clicking on the Chart button found on the Report toolbar. The report displays the number, description, total number of inbound and outbound calls, total duration, average call duration, and average daily statistics by subscriber. The benefit of this report is seeing if there is anything out of the ordinary, like longer average durations with some agents over others, or if they should be making more outbound calls than inbound ones. The Call Detail Report lists calls in the system and a summary of the associated call details. It displays every call that came into the system based on your set filters. This report can be useful if you are auditing your system to see if calls are within the duration of time your organization deems appropriate. You can add filters to only show calls between a certain minimum and maximum duration. You can get the information you need to go back to interactions and listen to the call to determine what happened and if any additional action is required. Lastly, the Frequent Callers Report displays the callers by number that have called the most frequently. The Frequent Callers pane can be displayed as text or as a bar chart by clicking on the Chart button found on the Report toolbar. The report displays the number, the name associated with the number, or caller ID, the total number of calls, average call duration, minimum duration, and maximum duration. The report is sorted in order of the most frequently called or dialed number. The Frequent Callers Report will show the inbound callers in order by the number of times they have called in. If you have a support department and you notice a few callers with multiple entries here, there might be something that needs addressing.